Hey everyone, I'm Kenzie from Rick's Review Hub, where we check out the best kitchen gadgets to make your life easier. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Food Saver Elite All-in-One Liquid Plus Vacuum Sealer. If you're tired of food going bad or want to save money by storing leftovers like a pro, this might be your kitchen's new MVP. Let's get started. First, let's break down what makes the Food Saver Elite so awesome. This vacuum sealer has a powerful 95 kPa suction and 6 custom settings: dry, moist, liquid, sous vide, marinate, and pulse. For the first time, you can seal liquids like soups, sauces, or salsas with a viscosity of 1.39 mean PAs or higher, no spills. It's got automatic bag detection that locks the machine when a bag's in place, and LED lights show sealing progress. The built-in cutter and roll storage let you make custom-sized bags in seconds. Plus, it comes with a retractable handheld sealer for zipper bags and containers, and a starter kit with rolls, bags, a wine stopper, and a 5-cup container. Now, the pros. This thing keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer than regular storage, cutting down on waste and freezer burn. The liquid setting is a game changer for sealing soups or sauces without a mess, and the sous vide mode is perfect for meal prep. Users love how easy it is to use, with the auto lock and cutter making bag prep a breeze. The stainless steel finish looks sleek, and the handheld sealer is great for quick jobs like marinating. But let's be honest, nothing's perfect. Some users say the machine can let air back in during liquid sealing if not set up just right, so follow the manual. The lid doesn't lock shut for storage, which can be annoying. And it's a bit pricey, so it's best for those who will use it often. Who's this for? If you love bulk shopping, sous vide cooking, or want to store leftovers without waste, the Food Saver Elite is a solid pick. Its versatility and ease make it worth it for meal preppers and savvy savers. Ready to save food and money? Click the link in the description to grab the Food Saver Elite on Amazon for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep that food fresh.